The impact of soil pollution by plastic. Plastic pollution is one of the most serious environmental changes we face today. Plastic are non-biodegradable, meaning they don't break down easily in nature. They accumulate over time in landfill, rivers, oceans, and importantly in the soil. The presence of plastic in the soil is not just an eyesore, it has far-reaching consequences for ecosystems, human health, and environment.
Effects on the environment. One of the most immediate effects of plastic pollution on the soil is the disruption of natural ecosystems. When plastics enter the soil, they affect in its structure and composition. Microplastics, tiny pieces of plastic that break down from larger items, can interfere with the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients. This reduces the fertility of the soil and can harm plant growth. Plants struggling to access the nutrients and water they need may not grow as well, which affects food production, especially in agricultural areas. And another significant environmental impact is that plastics can carry toxic chemicals including pesticides and flame retardants. These chemicals seep into soil, contaminating it. In turn, this toxic substance can be absorbed by plants and enter the food chain.
Effects on humans. Humans are directly affected by plastics pollution in the soil. The toxins that leach from plastics into the soil can eventually make their way into our food, water, and air. For example, the presence of microplastics in agricultural fields means that crops may contain tiny plastic particles. When these crops are consumed, they can introduce harmful chemicals like bisphenols into the human body. These chemicals are known to interfere with the body's endocrine system, which regulates hormones. Over time, exposure to such chemicals can lead to health problems, including reproductive issues, development delays in children, and even certain types of cancer. In addition to chemical contamination, plastics also contribute to air pollution. When plastic waste is burned in landfills or in open space, it releases toxic gases such as dioxins and furans. These gases can cause serious health problems including respiratory issues, asthma, and lung cancer, especially for those living near areas with high levels of plastic waste disposal.
The solutions. These are several solutions to combat soil and pollution caused by plastic, but they require coordinated effort from individuals, businesses, and government alike. First and foremost, reducing plastic consumption is crucial. This can be achieved by encouraging the use of reusable materials, switching to biodegradable alternatives, and promoting sustainable packaging. In addition, increasing recycle rate and improving waste management practice will help prevent plastic from entering the environment. Another solution is to implement more sustainable farming practices. Farmers can reduce reliance on plastic products such as plastic mulch, and instead of organic or biodegradable materials, government can initiate this change by providing subsidies or support sustainable farming techniques. Innovative technologies are also being developed to address the exciting plastic wave. For example, scientists are working on biodegradable plastic that can break down more easily in the environment. Other technologies focus on cleaning up plastic waste from the soil and water through advanced filtration systems or chemical treatment. Education plays a key role in solving this problem. People need to be informed about the harmful effects of plastic pollution and encouraged to reduce the plastic use. Awareness campaigns and educational programs can help change public attitudes and behaviors toward plastic waste. Finally, legislation is vital to reducing plastic pollution. Government must pass laws that regulate plastic production and disposal, and companies need to be held accountable for the plastic waste they generate. Bans of single-use plastic, plastic bag fees, and mandates for recycle are all effective steps to have been implemented in some regions to reduce plastic pollution. In conclusion, plastic pollution in soil is a critical environmental issue that affects not only the health of our ecosystem but also our own well-being. The effects of plastic waste on soil, plants, animals, and humans can be devastating in both of the short and long term. However, by reducing plastic consumption, improving waste management, supporting sustainable farming practices, and developing innovative solutions, we can mitigate the damage caused by plastic pollution. The problem is large, but the solutions are within reach if we take action.